I'm Ruby J from Holly Hobbie, and today I will be teaching you some of my favorite vocal warm-ups. Let's get into it! To start off, I'm going to show you guys what I think is the most classic vocal exercise that there is. I call them bubbles, but officially they are called lip trills. It goes basically, you just like blow air out of your lips like this, and then you go up and down the scale, getting higher and higher every time, and it just kind of opens up your vocal cords. It helps you with breath control, and I think that they're just super important to the whole vocal area of things. So it goes a little something like this. Yeah, let's go on to the next one. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys what I think is just another super classic vocal exercise, which is called, I guess it's just called like the M&M warm-up, but it basically goes, Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. And so you just do that and you go up and down the scale. So it just goes something like, Mommy made me mash my M&Ms, da da. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms, da da. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. And then you just go all the way up and then you come back down. And that's basically just another way to kind of open up your mouth, get your lips moving. And I just think it's an amazing exercise. Next, I'm going to be telling you guys what I think is the best way to keep your vocal cords open and warmed up for an extended amount of time. It's simply just humming. Humming whatever you're going to be singing, humming a tune that pops into your head, humming your favorite song. Just by doing that, you can keep your vocal cords awake and alive and safe. Last but certainly not least is my favorite way to warm up. Basically, all I do is I sing one of my favorite songs, What Baking Can Do, from Waitress the Musical, but you can choose any song you want, any song that starts at a low, kind of intimate tone and grows into a bigger, more powerful, outstanding kind of vibe. And just by doing that, you can let your vocal cords wake up from the beginning of the song to the end of the song. I think it's just a super fun and efficient way to do your vocal warm-up so that you can then sing whatever you want, which is, let's be honest, that is the fun part. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the Girl Talk World channel and tune into Holly Hobbie on CBBC. Bye!